If any of you don't follow me on social media, like on Instagram, I do have an install date of August 12th and 13th, and they will be installing my craft room. We ended up going with custom cabinets. I didn't think we were going to do that. I thought it would be too expensive, but my husband had some concern about having to install and build all of those IKEA cabinets, and I guess his heart just wasn't in it. So he figured, let's just go ahead and get custom cabinets. So that's what we're gonna do. And so what I have on the wall here is I have the plans. This keeps my heart happy until August 12th and 13th. So in this corner is going to be a corner desk, and it's gonna have shelves and a drawer on this side over here. I hope you can see. Now, let's walk over here. And as you can probably tell, I have not found my selfie stick or any kind of tripod, so I'm afraid this will be the best I can do for right now. Since we moved in a year ago, you know, it takes 5 more years to unpack. So this wall, this whole wall here, is going to be this design. You see that in the camera? I think you can. So it's going to be bunch of drawers right here. Hope you can see. Bunch of drawers. And it's going to have these shelving units that will fit the stamp and storage or organize more inserts to organize my ink pads and such. And up here also. We'll have some space between the unit and the ceiling, I think 12 inches. So I'll still be able to utilize that for something. This here is going to be open because I have a plug down here, and we need to keep that visible. And it's also going to have a 16-inch depth on this countertop. So this is going to have a countertop right here. And it's going to have 16 inches to the wall, just so I can have some area where I can put some I don't know, decor or something pretty there, just to break it up so it's not so much all storage looking. And the countertop will be black shiny. And then if we go over here to the island, which is really, honestly, this is the one thing that I would have hoped, if I were to get only one thing, it would be the island. And this is going to be the island. I don't even know if you can make sense of that. Anyway, the island's enormous. It's beautiful. It's got like a billion shelves. I'm so happy. I could just cry. And it's going to be, I guess, 3 feet. Can't even read those measurements. In any event, it's mine. It's coming August 12th and 13th. I'm very super excited. And yeah, so I just keep the plans on the wall so I'll be able to look and stare at my craft room in the making. And my island is going to have this beautiful island. It's going to be 36 inches, I believe, from the floor. So I can stamp above and work from above my projects. I always found that to be the most successful angle for me. So yeah, just a tiny update. Don't really have much to show you, but it's something. It's something, right? Gotta be positive. Okay, everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Take care of yourselves, and happy 4th of July. Bye-bye. I almost forgot. I promised that I was going to mention that a YouTube channel has changed its name, and she's a fellow crafter. So I thought this is a no-brainer. I obviously don't want anyone to lose her channel. In fact, I just changed my YouTube channel. It was just Little Saved Girl for a long, long time. But when we moved to the farm, I changed it to Born Again Farm Girl, but I didn't even think to announce it. So she's obviously much more organized. That explains why she's got more followers. So the channel name used to be TNGIRL. TN stands for she's from Tennessee. 224. Let me check. Yes. TNGIRL 224. Her channel is well established and she does all kinds of crafts. So she's kind of like my channel actually, because I do a ton of crafts also. So TNGIRL 224 is no longer going by that name. Instead, she's changed it to a much more descriptive title. She decided describes her more. So the new name of TNGIRL 224 on YouTube is Robin's Feathered Nest. Checking my notes. Robin's Feathered Nest. Yes, that's right. So make sure you make a note of that. She's got so many subscribers that need to get the word out. And if you don't know her channel, feel free to drop by and subscribe. And I also welcome you to subscribe and to like this video to Born Again Farm Girl. That's my channel. Once this craft room gets done, guys, the sky's the limit. I'm going to be so excited. I'll have found my tripod and my selfie stick. I'll have all of my crafting supplies all over the place, and you won't be able to shut me up when this craft room's done, because you couldn't shut me up when I had my other craft room. So can you imagine how excited I'm going to be? Okay, remember, TNGIRL 224 is now Robin's Feathered Nest on YouTube. Make a note and share the word. She's got a huge giveaway. So if you'd like to make a video, a shout out just like this, you just go ahead and do that and you'll be entered to win also. So remember, guys, Robin's Feathered Nest. You heard it first here on Born Again Farm Girl. You have a great day and happy 4th of July again. Bye-bye.